How to fix Roblox connection error. Hey there, if you are facing a Roblox connection error, don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Roblox connection error with some easy steps in this quick tutorial. To solve this problem, follow me. Before doing anything, check your internet connection. To fix the internet connection, turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and turn off again. And check your issue. Method 1. Clear cache and cookies. Clear the Roblox cache and cookies. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, tap on App Management. Scroll down, find the Roblox game. Tap on it. Tap on Storage Uses, tap on Clear Cache. Now check your issue. If you still have the issue, then let's go for the next method. Method 2. Update the Roblox game. Open App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Roblox app. Check if it is updated or not. If the update is available, update the Roblox game. Then check your issue. Method 3. Reinstall Roblox. If you have tried all the above steps and you are still getting the error, then you may need to reinstall Roblox game. This will delete all of your Roblox settings and data, so make sure that you back up everything important before you do this. To reinstall Roblox, delete or uninstall the Roblox app from your device. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Roblox, tap on the Roblox app and tap on Install. Wait for the app to install. Open the Roblox app and log into your account and check your issue. I hope this video will help you to fix your Roblox connection errors. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.